Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by prepping the workspace and powering the Smart Touch panel. Make sure the machine sits level and the hopper holds about 75% capacity so tumbling is consistent. Once plugged in, press the power icon and wait for the Smart Touch splash screen. This establishes control and Wi-Fi readiness. You'll see basic system diagnostics, temperature, RPM, and timer, so you can adjust settings precisely. Now tap Start Setup to move into configuration and begin the process. Once done with power, you configure the coding cycle via the Smart Touch menu. Choose a product profile or create a custom one by entering coding type, target RPM, and total tumble time. This ensures consistent coverage. Make sure to set temperature and spray intervals along with dispense volume so the solution applies evenly. Load candy evenly, lock the lid, then run the preview mode to check balance. This avoids clumping and protects motors. If balance is off, redistribute and recheck. You complete the process by running the full cycle and watching the live dashboard for real-time RPM, temperature, and spray metrics. Once the cycle ends, power down, allow the drum to cool and remove candy carefully. Do the recommended cleaning of nozzles and drum to prevent residue buildup. If you notice uneven coating, pause the machine, redistribute the load, and adjust RPM or spray rate slightly. This recalibration fixes most issues quickly, so you get uniform results next run.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.